hello, happy people! Giggles and Candyman are right here in Marina State Beach, and this one is really entertaining. What you call that one, love?
Hang gliding.
Hand gliding. Oh wow! Showing you somebody's hand gliding. It's right there. Amazing, huh? Okay. Me and Candyman having just quality time. Cheap.
Stop for lunch.
Date need not to be expensive. So we're having McDonald's. You buy one, you get one for $1, and we bring our own soda. Can't beat that. And it's right there, the beach right there. I wonder how much you have to pay to do that, Lebon.
That's probably his own.
Or that okay,
They have their own.
they have their own, and they just come to the beach. Okay, the beach is kind of like nice and calm. Okay, people just staying in their car, relaxing. It's a cold day right now. Right now he's trying to go that one right there up the bottom. It's like two of them. But right now they're not flying. Looks like it's windy lang ba? A little bit high tide.
Well, let's eat, love.
Okay guys, we'll see you in our next video, and this is a road vlog. Bye bye.